Ever feel like your client list on Setmore is playing hide and seek with itself? One client, two different entries, maybe even three, is a common headache for busy professionals and businesses using scheduling software. You've got inconsistent booking histories, scattered notes, and a general sense of disorganization. And let's be honest, nothing screams unprofessional like asking a client for their details when you already have them, just because they're in a different profile. It's frustrating, right? You're trying to streamline your operations, provide a seamless experience for your clients, and keep your business running smoothly. But duplicate client profiles can throw a real wrench in that plan. They lead to inaccurate records, missed communication, and ultimately, a less efficient workflow. Imagine a client calling to reschedule, and you're scrolling through multiple entries, unsure which one holds their latest appointment or contact information. It wastes time, creates confusion, and can even impact your client relationships. The good news is, Setmore, a fantastic online appointment scheduling platform, understands this challenge. They've built in a super useful feature specifically designed to combat this very issue: the ability to merge client profiles. This isn't just about tidying up your database. It's about centralizing all your client data, ensuring accuracy, and giving you a complete, holistic view of each and every person you serve. When all of a client's appointments, notes, payment history, and contact details are in one place, you can provide more personalized service, track their engagement more effectively, and ultimately, build stronger, lasting relationships. So, if you're ready to conquer the chaos of duplicate client entries and bring some much-needed order to your Setmore account, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to merge clients on Setmore. We'll cover everything from identifying those pesky duplicates to making sure all the right information is preserved. And we'll even touch on some best practices to help prevent them from popping up in the first place. Get ready to reclaim your client list and boost your business efficiency. Let's dive in. The first step in merging clients on Setmore is to actually find the duplicates. Sometimes it's obvious, like two entries for John Smith with slightly different email addresses. Other times, it might be a subtle difference, like a nickname or a missing middle initial. To begin, you'll need to log into your Setmore account. Once you're in, navigate to the Customers tab. This is your central hub for all client information. Take a moment to scan through your list. Are there any names that immediately jump out at you as being duplicated? You can also use the search bar at the top of the customer list to actively look for potential duplicates. Type in a client's first or last name and see what comes up. You might be surprised at how many variations of the same client you find. Once you've identified a client with multiple entries, the process for merging them is quite straightforward, but it requires a careful hand to ensure you don't lose any valuable data. Setmore has made this process intuitive, allowing you to select multiple profiles and consolidate them into a single, comprehensive record. Here's how you do it. From within the Customers tab, locate the duplicate client profiles you want to merge. You'll see a checkbox next to each client's name. Click the checkbox for all the duplicate entries that belong to the same person. It's crucial to select all of them, as you'll be consolidating all their information into one master profile. After you've selected your duplicate client profiles, look towards the top right of your customer list. You'll see a button with an upward arrow icon, often labeled Merge Customers. Click on this button. Setmore will then present you with a new screen. This is where the magic happens, and where you need to pay close attention. You'll see a preview of the different client profiles you've selected, displayed side by side. The system will prompt you to choose which pieces of information you want to keep for the final merged profile. For example, if one profile has an outdated phone number and another has the current one, you'll be able to select the correct, up-to-date phone number. The same goes for email addresses, physical addresses, notes, and any other data associated with the client. Setmore will provide drop-down menus or clear indicators for each field, allowing you to pick the most accurate or complete information from any of the selected profiles. It's highly recommended that you meticulously go through each field. Don't rush this part. Make sure you're preserving all the relevant notes, past appointment history, and any special preferences or details that might be scattered across the various duplicate entries. This is your chance to create a truly complete and accurate client record. Once you've reviewed all the data and made your selections for each field, click the Merge or Save button to finalize the process. Setmore will then combine all the selected information into a single, unified client profile, and the duplicate entries will be removed from your customer list. You'll now have a clean, consolidated record for that client, making it much easier to manage their appointments, track their history, and provide excellent service. Now, while merging clients is a fantastic feature for cleaning up your existing data, preventing duplicates in the first place is even better. Here are a few tips to help you maintain a pristine client list. Firstly, encourage your clients to use a consistent email address and phone number when booking. If they're booking online through your Setmore booking page, remind them to use the same details each time. You might even consider enabling the customer login feature in Setmore, which requires clients to create a unique profile to book appointments. This can significantly reduce duplicate entries as their information autofills for returning customers. Secondly, when you're manually adding clients or booking appointments for them, always do a quick search first. A few seconds spent searching can save you a lot of time merging later. If a client tells you they've booked with you before, ask them for the email or phone number they typically use. Thirdly, consider creating a standardized procedure for your team if multiple people manage client data. This ensures everyone follows the same guidelines, minimizing inconsistencies that can lead to duplicates. Regular audits of your client list, perhaps once a month, can also help you catch and merge duplicates before they become too problematic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.